Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from C&Rsenal. Feel free to check them out on various media platforms, including YouTube and others. C&Rsenal. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. A little background. I do believe this is from their 2022 December timeframe year-end campaign to help support projects in the forthcoming years. Again, C&Rsenal. So let's see how we can open this. Slice this across the top carefully. Yeah, I don't see any serrations. So, we're in. There we go. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just part of the packing material. Oop. Oh my. Oh wow. This is unexpected. Wow. Okay, so part of the campaign was different configurations of bundles for single t-shirts. You could order them in a quantity. Some of them had, I believe, possibly different color selections. I'm not 100% sure. And it appears that they've included stickers for each of the shirts included. So here we have Cycle of Violence, in no particular order, 1874, Old Guns, C&Rsenal itself, The Strip Club, and another C&Rsenal. Very interesting. And then also this thing. A little bit of tinsel for the tree. So let's go ahead. You can see how they laid them out and got them into the bag. So, in no particular order, let's peel these open. Right off the top here, we have the 1874 pattern. And you can see the kind of clockwork mechanisms involved there, as well as a signature. And this campaign, they've introduced the softer line of t-shirts. They're still pretty thick, considering they're the soft material. And okay, that's 1874. Next up is, as you can see from the bright colors, and before I go too far, let's look at the sleeves. Again, the 1874 has the C&Rsenal logo and text on that arm. And let's see what's on this arm is plain. Okay. Back to the Strip Club. You see the large neon style logo there. Continued as well as on the sleeve, logo and text pattern. And plain on this sleeve. Next up is Cycle of Violence, but this time in gray with yellow highlights, so very nice. Let's check out the sleeve. Similarly, we have C&Rcycle, so a little play on words there. Next up, let's do Old Guns. Here, let's see the substitution of the L there with an icon. Slightly different tags on some of these. So some of these were on Port Company. This one is on Tultex, as well as this. So it looks like the grays are Tultex. With the old guns on the sleeve, we have C&Rsenal, very subdued, slightly different looking as well, as you can see there. So a slight change to the logo. And last but not least of the 5 titles is a C&Rsenal logo shirt. And on the sleeve, to close out, we have the icons of Matthias and May. A little bit of a blow up there. And on the shoulder, plain. So working backwards, C&Rsenal, old guns, cycle of violence, strip club, and we started off with 1874, and we have the stickers to match. So very interesting. We can even arrange these in kind of the order here as well. So these are part of the C&Rsenal 2022 campaign fundraiser. So feel free to check them out. They also have on their online store past items as well, still in stock of not just clothing, but also frameable items as well. So very nice indeed. C&Rsenal. This has been another unboxing or unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.